Can we imagine a future where AI composes our favorite tunes? Picture this, a world where music is not just created by humans, but also by artificial intelligence. This isn't just a far-fetched idea, but a reality that's rapidly unfolding before our very eyes. The advancements in AI technology have been nothing short of remarkable, and now it's poised to revolutionize the music industry as we know it. Just think about it, an AI that can understand, learn, and ultimately create music. It's like having Mozart, Beethoven, and the Beatles all rolled into one, tirelessly churning out melodies round the clock. Exciting, isn't it? And leading this musical revolution is none other than Meta with its innovative AI musicgen. An AI system designed to understand the intricacies of music and then use that knowledge to create its own unique compositions. The dawn of AI music is upon us, with Meta's AI musicgen leading the charge. So what's this musicgen by Meta we're all buzzing about? Well, let's dive right in. musicgen is Meta's newest innovation in the realm of music, and it's quite the game changer. It's an artificial intelligence system that's not just playing music, it's creating it. Imagine having a personal composer at your disposal, one that's equipped with the knowledge of countless music genres, styles, and techniques. That's essentially what musicgen is. This AI system is capable of generating melodies that are as catchy as your favorite pop tunes, harmonies as rich as a symphony orchestra, rhythms as groovy as a jazz ensemble, and so much more. But it doesn't stop there. musicgen is not just about generating isolated musical elements. It can create full musical compositions from scratch. Whether you're looking for a soothing ambient track to aid your meditation, or a high-energy electronic beat to pump up your workout, musicgen has got you covered. Now let's talk customization. Meta has designed musicgen to cater to the individual musical tastes and preferences of its users. You can adjust a multitude of parameters to fine-tune the AI's output. Want to change the tempo? No problem. Prefer a minor key over a major one? musicgen can do that. Fancy a rhythmic pattern that's a bit off the beaten path? musicgen is up to the task. It's all about giving you the power to shape the music you listen to. In the hands of music lovers, this AI technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with music. It's no longer a one-way street where we passively consume what's being produced. With musicgen, we're active participants in the music creation process. It's like having a musical instrument that plays itself, but with you as the conductor, guiding its performance. With AI musicgen, Meta is reshaping the music landscape, offering endless possibilities for music creation. It's a brave new world of music, and we're just getting started. Now that we've seen what musicgen can do, what does the future hold? Well, imagine a world where musicgen evolves beyond our wildest dreams. It's not just about creating tunes anymore. The advancements in the AI could revolutionize the entire music industry, from the way we write songs to the art of DJing. Imagine songwriting where the AI can understand and match your emotions, creating a personalized symphony that resonates with your thoughts. Or picture a DJ who can curate the perfect playlist for a crowd, not based on genre, but on the mood of the room, thanks to musicgen's ability to read and respond to collective emotions. But perhaps the most exciting part is how musicgen could democratize music production. With this technology, anyone could become a music producer, regardless of their musical knowledge or skills. It's about making music an accessible form of expression for all, not just the privileged few. The future of music is exciting, all thanks to AI musicgen. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the journey of music and AI. We've journeyed through the dawn of a new era in music, where artificial intelligence is the maestro, innovating and revolutionizing the industry. We've unveiled Meta's AI musicgen, a tech marvel that's not just creating music, but is also crafting an entirely new musical experience. We've peeked into the future, where musicgen isn't just a tool for artists, but a collaborator, a partner that understands and complements the creative process. We've seen how Meta's AI musicgen is not only transforming the music industry, but also reshaping our very understanding of what music can be. In this innovative landscape, artificial intelligence is the new composer, orchestrating a symphony of sounds that are as diverse and dynamic as life itself. As we step into this new era of music, the only question left is, are you ready to dance to the rhythm of AI?